when we officially commenced our partnership and look at where we are now. We have reached a milestone and came to one of the most exciting phases where our trainees, equipped with the foundational skills and competencies from their classroom training, thanks to PS skills, and will now embark on real life and hands-on training and learn from world-class restaurants of Jollibee Group. This would not have been possible without everyone's shared commitment and enthusiasm to complete the promise. No, we all made a promise months ago. So we at Jollibee Group Foundation, through our Access Curriculum and Employability, or ACE Scholarship Program, have provided the financial support, including allowances, to support the scholars' needs. PSEFI's skills, of course, led not only the recruitment of competent learners, but also ensured the delivery of quality classroom training. USAID and PBED, as part of YouthWorks PH, have also provided your uniform, insurance, and pre-employment requirement support. And now, JFC, together with its different business units, Jollibee, Greenwich, and Chowking, will be welcoming our trainees and providing work-based hands-on learning. Thank you to everyone for this fruitful collaboration, because to our young scholars, you know how all of us have come together for this. Thank you also for your commitment to this journey. We are equally proud of what you have accomplished thus far and are excited to see you graduate in a few months' time and for your continued growth and learning.
Completing the first phase of your training program, which I just heard started back in June. Now you will begin your work-based training with Jollibee, where you will further hone your skills in food and beverage services with a world-class institution and organization. Just a month ago, USAID had the opportunity to meet this talented group of promising young individuals during a monitoring visit, and I heard very much about that. And now they are ready to apply what they've learned as they take the next step toward becoming skilled food and beverage service specialists. I would like to congratulate PBED, Skills, Jollibee Food Corporation, and the Jollibee Group Foundation for this fruitful partnership. Thank you for partnering with us to provide youth with the right skills and opportunities they need for gainful employment.
It was only a few months ago when all of us started this learning journey. It began with just a simple social media post offering an opportunity for a training. Similar to most of my colleagues, I was also out of school, unsure of my next steps. So when I saw the training opportunity, it felt like the chance I had been waiting for. It was a chance I could not pass up. And after assessments and interviews, we were able to finally begin our training. I will not sugarcoat it. The training itself was challenging. There were long nights, practical exams, and at times we also doubted if we would complete it. Yet, here we are now, closer friends with strengthened confidence and improved skills. All together, ready to start the next phase of our journey. Being here today is a testament to our grit and perseverance. So, to my batchmates, congratulations.
Finally, in the work-based training phase of the YouthWorks program in JFC. Last year, JGF, JFC, and PBED joined hands for the implementation of YouthWorks PH in the JFC group. Due to unforeseen challenges, the actual implementation was postponed to this year. Fortunately, we were able to move forward through our newly forged partnership with PSEFI and Skills, and Ms. Colette joined us in Manila to have our kickoff. And looking back, JFC said yes in becoming an industry partner of YouthWorks PH because we believe in the positive impact that this program will bring to the community and on one hand for our business JFC. So it's two-pronged. And what I'd like to highlight will be first for the community. Striving to help the community by providing individuals gainful employment is not a new endeavor for JFC. 5 years ago, JFC is one of the first quick service restaurant companies to have opened its doors to senior citizens and differently abled individuals for opportunity for employment, and it continues to grow and expand. So we're looking for expanding this here in the Visayas and Mindanao because we are actually very much present in the Luzon area. The program has been growing ever since with several LGU partners across the country. We want to provide the same opportunities for gainful employment for underprivileged youth. We see that supporting YouthWorks PH would also allow JFC to bring positive change to the lives of our youth, providing them opportunity to learn for relevant knowledge, skills, and values, and help them build a solid foundation for their careers that will allow them to fulfill their potentials and become future leaders, not only for the communities, but more so for their families. For the business, our leaders would often say that we are not only a restaurant business, but we are in the people business. And this is very much part of what we intend to do by being with this partnership.